guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word вместе, or together. In the US, some people say eggs, but others say eggz, and that's the sound we need for the stressed ye. Let's try it with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Vmi. Vmi. There's almost a Y sound built into the M. Jo dang lips. Vmi. Vmi. Tell your brain the second ye sounds like a schwa. Here we go. Jo dang lips. Sti. Sti. The t is soft, so although the tip of your tongue is still behind your bottom teeth, the part behind the tip is very high, and you put lots more air through than in English. Ti. Ti. Sti. Sti. Now the whole thing. Jo dang lips. Vmi. Sti. Vmi. Sti. Вместе. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word on Instagram, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!